We put the trail cam at the back dam, and during the week it picked up a sneaky fox and a whole lot of deer. Apparently they're fallow deer, and rumour has it we've got so many about the place because of a guy who used to farm them. When he sold this place, he just opened the gates and let them all out. This weekend I made a first tractor repair. Because you can't see the bucket from the driver's seat, there's a thing called a level indicator on the tractor. It's used to tell if the bucket is level, or at least what angle the bucket's at. Somehow it had broken off, so we went to our local hardware shop, bought some metal dowel, a tap and die set and fixed it. All in all, it was a pretty trivial thing to fix, but I really enjoyed doing it.
Shall we go for a tractor ride? Just
No.
make sure it works.
Oh my God. Well done.
We had quite a bit of rain during the week, about 16 millimetres in fact. Our dams are all full to overflowing, which is pretty damn cool. Like what I did there? After all the rain, we found these little holes in the ground at the campsite. We thought there might be spiders and dug one up. Nothing came out of it, so I suppose whatever owns it wasn't home at the time, or was just scared of having a big shovel shoved through his home.